Modernism began to break through at the end of the 19th century into the beginning of the 20th century. Western society began to develop new ways to mold human culture and improve the constructed environment. Modernism influenced many creative disciplines from design and art to architecture, music, and literature. The emergence of new technology forced artists to strategically rethink their practice. The results were revolutionary and still influence designers in the modern day. This provided the opportunity for mass production. Modernism dramatically altered the thinking process for communications, graphic design, and typography. The style of design shifted from the prior 19th century approach. Before the concept of modernism, graphic design and typography were overly decorated and elaborate. Every possible inch of a typical poster would be filled with imagery and type. These new modernist designs abided to strict, structured grid systems with emphasis on negative space and simplicity. Just as important was the use of a clean sans serif type. The idea was to create strong graphics that were against commercialism and greed. Typical typefaces used in the Modernism era include Helvetica, Franklin Gothic, Monotype, Grotesque, and Future. Walter Gropius was a German architect and art educator who founded the Bauhaus School of Design, which became a dominant force in architecture and the applied arts in the 20th century. Walter Gropius was a pioneer in modernism as he believed and enforced the attitude that all design should be functional as well as aesthetically pleasing. His Bauhaus school demonstrated a functional, simple architectural style, featuring the elimination of surface decoration and extensive use of glass. This same concept is evident in graphic design of the same period. Lester Beale was a prolific graphic designer, notable as a leading proponent of modernist graphic design. Through the 1930s and 1940s, Beale produced innovative and highly regarded work. His clear and concise use of typography was highly praised both in the United States and abroad. Throughout his career, he used bold primary colors and illustrative arrows and lines in a graphic style that easily became recognizable as his own. This modernist style is seen all around us today in logos and branding. Even Facebook uses a clear sans serif font and bold block colors.